Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So this is a big video. It's definitely a big video. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So this is a video that, I'll be honest, I never thought I'd be making, but with all your support we actually are. So we hit 5,000 subscribers not that long ago. So number one, massive thank you to you all. Your support and the little community that we built on this channel is absolutely just mega. I love it. I really do love it. So thank you everyone that does comment on the videos, likes them, and obviously subscribe to the channel. If you're not subscribed, you're going to want to be subscribed. So as the title suggests, we're going to do a giveaway. So we partnered up with Minimine. So what is there to win? So the thumbnail is there. If not, I will include it somewhere on the screen, a photograph of it. You will get a service kit for your vehicle. So we've chatted with Minimine and we've basically decided that it'd be quite cool to offer something that gets your Mini back on the road, gets it out ready for the summer. And yeah, kind of some people that maybe, I know, not at the time to do stuff, you can win it now to get your car back on the road. So standard air filter, plugs, leads, dizzy cap. I will put a proper link, proper description of what's in there, and we'll try and run it along the bottom of the screen here. But basically, if you win, you can get a full service kit for your classic Mini, like what's in the photo. What they'll do is the colour of the leads, they can tailor to your car. So once I've sort of got through to the point where the winner is there, what we'll do is we'll put you in touch with Minimine. You can pick the colours and the bits and pieces you want, tailor it to what you need, and they will get that shipped out to you. So that is a big deal. It's a nice package. It can get your car on the road. It's gonna be really good. What we will do is I will throw 2 stickers from Simpson's Classics in as well. So you know, if you want to represent us and stuff like that, I'd really appreciate that. So just to clarify, you get a service kit and 2 stickers. All we need from you guys is you need to like this video, subscribe to this channel, comment below what your favorite project on the channel is, and also, so there's 2 things, what you would like to see in the very near future of the channel. Is there anything you want to see project wise? Is there something, you know, that you kind of want to ask? Basically these 2 things. So like mentioned, what your favorite part of the channel is, project, and is there something you want to see? They're the only 2 things you need to comment below. The other things you need to do, as well as subscribing to this channel, giving this video a thumbs up and putting that comment in, is go over to Minimine and like their page on Instagram and their page on Facebook. Once you've done that, you need to share this video. So all of them things, obviously once we do the random selector and stuff like that, that is how I'll be doing the draw for the winner. So what I'll do is everyone that's commented below, it will select a comment off there, and obviously it needs to be in it to win it. So I will pick a random winner from the bottom that with their comment, I'll read their comment out. Obviously we'll put you in touch with Minimine. You can get your service kit and you'll get your 2 stickers from me as well. So this draw will be done on the 15th of May. So that gives us a couple of weeks from now to get comments in. I will keep mentioning it and I will post it as well as Minimine will do. So got to be in it to win it, guys. Remember all the things you got to do. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, put your comment in the bottom, go over and like Minimine's Facebook page and their Instagram page. So yeah, I am really chuffed to be able to offer this to you guys, and I'm very excited for the future of Simpson's Classics. This is just a big thank you. We've hit 5k, next milestone, let's go, let's get it done. So thank you very much once again. Remember the rules. I will post everything in the link description below, and I will mention it in future videos. Catch you next one, guys. Stay safe.